All right, this is Bodhisattva by Steely Dan. We're going to start out with this thing here. So that's a G power chord, 3-5-5 in the biggest strings, down to 1-3-3, the F power chord. Now what's interesting in this drum break, it's like they've left off the kick drum. So it sounds like a beat is happening is the one when it's not. It's like the and. So you got to kind of consider if there was a kick drum at the very beginning right there, it'd be like boom, ch, ch, ch. But all you hear is the cha, cha, cha. So it's like backwards. So it's a little tricky counting it in, but if you know how the song goes, you can count it in pretty easy. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do that twice, and then we're gonna get into this thing. Okay, so that's G to F with the 2 1s down here, and just the 2 bottom strings there. So. Okay, so you got 8 times of that, and then the triple lead thing starts happening. So we got 2 leads start at once. We're gonna have this one first. So it's 4 to 5, kind of a hammer. Then we're gonna bend that 5, pull off to the 4 there, another pull off. So we got, and then 7 to 5 to 3 on the D string. So we got. Now the next time we're gonna go. So that one has a da-dee-a-dum, 5, 7, 5 to 3. Okay, so it's 2 times straight without that extra kind of hammer on pull off thing. Just 5 to 3. We do that twice, and then we do the next one twice. Okay, we do that twice, then we're gonna have. Okay, so that's 4 to 5 to 7. 5, 7. 5, 6, 5. 6 to 8, and then little 5. 8, 6 on the second string, 7 on the third string. And then we go 8, 6, 5, 7. Okay, so that's the first lead. Twice, and then do that twice, and then the walk up. Okay, now the other lead that starts with that one is going to go 7 and 9, but it's only going to bend a half step. Little half step bend, 1 fret worth. Go down to the 7, 9, 7, 10, 9 to 7. So we do that twice. Then like the other one, the last 2 have that hammer on pull off thing. Now this walk up is going to go. So that was 7, 9, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 13, 12, 10 to 10, so. You end with 10 and 10, and then we go 12, 10, 12, 10. Okay, so 2 of those, and then 2 of those, then the walk up. Okay, now the other part, the third part, starts on the 10 up here, but it's not going to do the first 2, so you got like. And that one goes with. Now this next one finally comes in right here, it goes. So since it comes in on the last 2, it starts out with having that hammer on pull off riff. So we got 10, 12, full bend, go down, another pull off, and then 14, 12, 14, 12, hammer on pull off to the 10. Now the walk up for this one's gonna go 10, 12, 14 to start. So 12, 13, and 15, and then little 12, 15 to 13, 14 on the G. So we got this little riff, 6 to 7 on the E string, 5 on the A, slide down and go to the 3 there. Then the next one goes, so we just go to the 6 to 7, 5 to 7 on the A, slide that down to the G, and then we're gonna have a, so this is 3, 4, 5, and 5 in the bottom 4 strings. So it ends up going. Okay, then our verse starts. So we have 3, G, and then we're gonna go 6 to 7, 5, and 7. So we're gonna have 4 of those G riffs. Bodhisattva, take me back. We're gonna go to the C right underneath that. Twice. Back to G twice. Now we have the turnaround here. We got, so that's a 6 on the A. 5 to 8, that's a E flat triad. So here we have 7 on the D string, and then 7, 8, 7 to the 8 on the A string. So we got, then we go 5 over here on the A. So we have 5 on the A, 3 to 5 on the D, 3 on the A. So here we have 3 on the D, 3, 5, 5 on the A, so it's, we have the same thing, the E flat, up to F, same thing, triad, and then we're back to G twice, and then the verse starts again, so we're gonna have 4 Gs again, C, G, we got that E flat, so we got, and then we got that 7 and the 7, 8, 7 to 8, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, that one, and then the E flat triad, F, and then we got, so we got 4 of those Gs that we're gonna have. So we got triplets there. It's really, really tough when you get those triplets going. So we got 3s, 7s, we go down to the A string. So 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, back to that 7 on the big one. So, and that starts a solo, and we're back to the verse type stuff. So we got 4 after the solo, then we got 4 more. C, G, okay, so we had upbeats on the power chord of the E flat, 6 on the A string, 6, 8, 8. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So ahead of the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So that was the A power chord up here, 5, 7, 7, big strings. And then D, we bring it down 1. And then we hit this F down here on the downbeat. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Downbeat. and down. So we had an up and an up on the E flat to F, and downbeat on that G, 3-5-5 big strings there. Then we have a bit of a pause, and then we're gonna have more. All that through the same verse stuff with the solo going again. Then we have 4 Gs at the end. Now we pause, and you're gonna go. So we do kind of a G chord each time. It's like a 5 and a 5 on the A and D strings. So you end up doing that 4 times, and we have more hits. We're gonna have. Okay, so same type of stuff, and then we're back to this. So we do that 4 times. We're gonna come back in with our triple harmony thing. So these are gonna add little tags at the ends. We got. So we just do the 5 to 3, but then we go 2 and 3. So. So that'd be 6 and 7, and then this one would be 9 and 10. Now before the last verses, we got a little half step, kind of a slow bend on the 3 and the G string. And then we're back to a verse. Then at the end of that verse, we'll have 2 Gs. And then a verse starts again. So it's like another double verse in there. Then we're gonna end with 8 of these Gs. So that's our ending for the rhythm. We got E flat chord, 6, 8, 8. And these are all on downbeats now. So it's 3 and 4 and A, D, and then B flat up here in the 6th fret. So it does that a bunch of times, and then it goes on the B flat to the C, 8th fret. And then you get into like a G. So it's G, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, G. Bodhisattva, Steely Dan. Thanks a lot.